Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at a powerful kitchen game changer that saves time and boosts efficiency: the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart DualZone air fryer. If you're tired of cooking one dish at a time or dealing with uneven cooking results, this air fryer completely changes the experience. What makes it stand out right away is the DualZone Technology: two independent 4-quart baskets that let you cook two different foods, two different ways, at the same time. No waiting, no flavor mixing, no hassle. Now let's talk about Smart Finish. This feature is incredibly useful because it ensures both baskets finish cooking at the exact same time, even if they have different temperatures or cooking durations. Imagine cooking chicken in one basket and fries in the other, both perfectly ready together. That's real convenience. There's also Match Cook, which lets you duplicate settings across both baskets for larger batches. So if you're cooking for family or guests, you can double your output instantly without adjusting settings twice. Performance-wise, this machine delivers. With 6-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate. That means crispy fries, juicy chicken, roasted veggies, and even dried snacks, all from one device. The 8-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prep, and the powerful heating system ensures fast and even cooking with that crispy finish everyone loves, but with significantly less oil compared to traditional frying. Cleaning is also simple thanks to the non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. The digital control panel is easy to use, making it beginner-friendly while still offering advanced control. If you want to upgrade your kitchen efficiency, reduce cooking time, and still enjoy delicious, healthier meals, this Ninja DualZone air fryer is absolutely worth considering. Check the link in the description to grab yours now. And don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more powerful product reviews like this.